Lockport, New York, people. Had to push my door open. We got drifts as high as my driveway. We got 5-foot drifts, probably very high. I don't even know where my steps are. Lockport, New York. Saturday, December 24th. Then there's bare spots in the driveway. Up on my porch. It's up to the railing, so that's 3 feet. The dog's loving it though. Get it, Davison. Get that snow. Wow. Get it, boy. Get it. Well, guess we'll see if I can get the car out the driveway eventually. This is about 3 feet here. I can't even get in my garage. Holy cow. This is crazy. They said it was gonna be as bad as 77, but I've seen pictures of 77. This ain't nowhere near 77. But still pretty bad. Nice.